have Olaf's Frozen Adventure. It's an advent calendar, and it has 25 days of fun holiday tradition. Look at that, it's Olaf. Inside it looks like it has 25 pieces for each day of the month, and it comes with so many toys, and maybe even an Elsa. Let's see what's inside. Opening up, and there we go. Look at that, it's a slide for Elsa, and each day marks the 25 days. Let's open them up in order. Here's number 1, so let's open day 1. Oh, it's a toy inside. Wow, it looks like a kitty cat. Here's the kitty cat. It has a cute little maroon sweater, and it has stripes on its tail. It looks like a very happy kitty. Now we gotta find number 2. Where could number 2 be? Here it is, number 2. Let's open that up. Wow, it's an Olaf. Take out Olaf. It's gonna be so fun. Oh my gosh, it's Olaf. He has one tooth and his carrot nose, as well as the cute little bow on his neck. Can't wait to play with Olaf. Now we gotta find number 3. Where can number 3 be? I see it, it's right here. Number 3. Whoa, it's another Olaf. This time, Olaf has a Christmas hat and it's blue. He looks like he's laughing. Number 4. Where can number 4 be? Here it is. Here's number 4. Let's open it up. It's a candy cane, of course. And it has a cute little bow that's green on it. After number 4 comes number 5. Where's number 5? I found number 5. Here it is. What's inside? Whoa, it's a bell. It has a beautiful yellow star on it. That's great. And then number 6. Where's number 6? I found number 6 right here. Wow, what is that? It kind of looks like a reindeer, but not really. But it looks like it's made out of wood. I think it's really pretty. That's cute. Number 7. Where's number 7? Gotta look down. I found number 7. Can you? It's right here. Number 7 is a dreidel. So I guess you can play with it, and out comes a lucky number. That's pretty cool. Now we gotta look for number 8. I found number 8 right here. Wow, this one is kind of big. Number 8 looks like a castle or a church. Wow, and it's brown. Next to number 8, I can already see it. It's number 9. It's another Olaf. This one's so funny because Olaf's nose is sticking out of his head, and he has leaves covered on him. Olaf looks kind of sad. Aw, poor Olaf. 10. Here's number 10. Wow, now this is pretty interesting. It kind of looks like an elephant covered in seaweed. I'm not too sure what it is, but it's kind of cool. Number 11. Number 11 is way up at the top, right here. Ooh, it's a cat with a blue sweater. It matches our cat with the maroon sweater. I'm sure they'll be best friends. Right here is number 12. Can't wait to see what's inside. Wow! Number 12 is a star. And inside kind of looks like Olaf. Wow, Olaf is inside a star. Number 13, where could it be? Ah, it's right underneath number 12. Wow! Number 13 is Olaf. And he seems super happy with his blue bow. Number 14 is way down here. Wonder what's inside. Wow, it's another Olaf. Olaf has a little hat on top. He's getting really warm. Number 15 is all the way up here. Wow, it's a candle for Hanukkah. That's cool. Number 16, where can number 16 be? Here it is, it's right here. Here's Olaf, and he has a cool skirt. He's dancing around and having so much fun. Number 17. Here's number 17. Number 17 is another Olaf, and instead of a carrot nose, he has a candy cane. That's so funny. Number 18 is up here. Whoa, it's kind of fell. But here it is. It's a bell. Wow, it's pink too. That's beautiful. Number 19 is right here. Wow, Olaf must be really cold today because he has a blanket all over him. Huh, it's a purple blanket. So funny, Olaf. Number 20. Right here we go. Number 20 is a wreath. It has a bell and 2 animals on the top. Number 21, down here. Wow, this one is a big one. Wow, it's like a treasure chest. Let's open it up. It's empty, but you can put things inside. That's cool. Number 22, but it's empty. I guess it's just negative. Negative space. Number 23. Let's open 23. Here we go. Wow, number 23. I think this is a cake. It's a huge cake. Olaf can eat the whole thing. Going down to our last 2. 24 looks like it's a big one. Whoa, it's a sled. It's Kristoff's sled. It's purple and it has a red package, a present on the top. Last but not least, it's number 25. I think this is the biggest one of all. Wow. So number 25 comes with a giant tree and it's frozen. It also comes with this toy, but I think this one fell off from 22. It looks like a little ram, and that's cool. And it's a tree. Let's put everything we found all together because we just finished. So I got the tree, a treasure chest, and I'm gonna put the things I found inside the treasure chest. Like the wreath, the candy cane, and that's it. And then we got all our Olafs. So here are all our Olafs. So many Olafs. Let's count how many Olafs we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Olafs. With the cake, candle, a star, 2 kitties, not really sure what this is, a castle, a dreidel, a sled, another bell, and another bell. That's everything. Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.